Dawn, how familiar are you with the 2021 Mercedes-Benz AMG G63? It comes in one trim level and is starting around $156,000. It comes equipped with a V8 engine and the ability to go from 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds. It comes standard with 20-inch wheels and gets about 13 miles per gallon in the city and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. It comes with a 4-year, 50,000-mile powertrain warranty and has about 4.5-star safety rating, with features such as blind spot assist, speed assist, brake assist, front airbags, side airbags, overhead airbags, and even knee airbags, just to name a few. One of my favorite features is that it has the ability to go off-road, which is pretty cool for such a luxury vehicle. This concludes today's highlight of the 2021 Mercedes-Benz AMG G63. Hope you enjoy and hope to see you soon.